Okay, so people who is coming first time out of India and living in European countries, and if you think that your exhaust fan is not working in the kitchen and you have tried everything, no buttons, if you can see there are no buttons anywhere and no indicators here also, nothing. So every time when you cook, you either open window, which is just here. But yeah, so we have been here since 1 month and we found that okay, the only way we can turn on the exhaust fan is just this. Voila. Here you have the fan controls and here you have the light controls. And switch it off.